Good morning. It is President's Day. The kids are off from school. 2 of them decided to come with us. We're going to Goodwill because it's half off day.
I've known for
everything. A week. Yeah,
half off everything.
So excited for half off day at Goodwill. So hopefully it's not overly crowded and the good stuff isn't all gone. It's barely 10 a.m. now. The weather is great. The mountains are showing off with their snow, and here down in the valley it's 41, and I'm gonna be happy about that.
Yeah, we're here for the warmer weather. It's trying to be spring. I know 41 doesn't sound like it's warm, but it's warm.
It's all about perspective. So let's go inside and see what we can flip for a profit. All right, first things up, I found this for $1.99, which makes it like 99 cents. Cute little chicken, little milkmaid girl here. So cute. I love cake plates. That price is good, even not at half off. So definitely going in the cart. Let's see if there's anything else. I like to check the top racks first. $3.99 for this hammered aluminum tiered tray. That's a good deal. I think this is really pretty. It says Red Wing and it's $3.99. Not a fan of the flowers. We're gonna donate those to this bowl. I'm gonna keep this.
All right, let's go find some good stuff. You know, we're always trying to put a couple of vignettes together. Everyone seems to really be liking that, and it gives you guys an idea of like what we're looking for, like why we pick certain things. Someone scraped off the price. We'll see what they want. Oh, is that plastic? That feels like plastic. No. I don't know. I think it's wood. Sounds like plastic when you set it down. But anyway, it gives you guys like a good idea of like why we pick certain things. Like in this terracotta pot, but not for $3.99. I like this little gravy boat for $1.99. It's probably false graph, I think. We'll have to peel the tag off when we're done. I like these bowls. Are they silver plate or are they stainless?
Always like greenery. That's a good price. Next up, linens. I've actually found some cute quilts here before. And on half off day, they'll definitely be priced right. I really like this gray pillow. It's got a little bit of a stain right there, but I think that'll come out, and it's only $2.99. So.
All right, we've got, this is a Gibson platter. How much? $3.99. It's more than I want. It's not old. You want throw burrito?
Yeah.
I think we just got that though. Ask Mom. Didn't she just get one of those? All right, the other ones were stainless steel. These look like they're also stainless. But I like the size on these. These are perfect for small little candlesticks. For $2.99, so that makes them $1 a piece off the bag wall.
Frederick would like to buy this. It's half off.
I feel like Vector from Despicable Me.
Despicable Me, you do look like him. Cute. I like this brass teddy bear for $1.99. The prices are really good here today, even like without half off. So I'm pretty impressed. I think I'm going to need that for my sister Karen. She's coming next week and she's an RN. This is cute. Just needs a new paint job.
This Magnolia mug is fun. $1.99. I'm going to get it. I forgot everything was 50% off today. Oh, and look, a little white colander. Is it metal or plastic? It's enamel. All right. Is this nuts? I like the tray. $1.99. I love the handles on this. It's a smaller tray with nice handles.
Pretty sure my boys are going to want this as a Star Wars character. I think we had one at some point. I think it's a Porg. We got it from Disneyland, but I don't know if Jack still has it. That's cute. I like the color on that. I'm gonna grab it. I like these brown ironstone plates. Makes them only $1 a piece. They've got a third one, but it's got a decent sized chip. They're unmarked, but but they're definitely ironstone. Nice and heavy. And I like brown transfer wear. So stuffed animals are all $1.99, and this one is a Raggedy Ann who happens to be hand crocheted, and I think she's adorable. Redrick found her. So she's gonna come home with us.
If you spy any linens, let me know. I'm looking for quilts in particular, which I'm not seeing really. I don't know if this is silver. It looks like it's newer, but $3.99, so that's gonna make it $1.98. So found this pot. The other one was like $5. This one is not priced. I'm finding all the things that aren't priced. This one had a topiary in it. And I like this greenery. Is this crystal? I think it is. Etched crystal. Yep, crystal. $7.99. So we're getting a bunch of good greenery and a crystal basket. It's gonna be $3.98.
Kitchen tools do well for us. These like egg beaters, and then this looks like either a pastry blender or a potato masher. It's $1.99 for the bag. I love this Afghan. The colors are really fun. It's chunky and heavy, and it's only $7.99, so it's going in the cart. Always a fan of old looking cutting boards. I'm gonna grab one of these. All right, so it's half off. So it was originally $144 down to $72. Probably made about $15-ish more because of these two yahoos and the things they kept adding to the cart.
I bought one thing.
Jack got a couple, and then also Zeb had to get backpacks. So, but we did well.
Those are good hunting.
We're gonna have to stack good because we have to leave room for the two boys. Although we have been known to put things on their laps when necessary.
Yeah.
Goodwill number 2. We did good at the last one. Carting a little bit on that.
Although when you take your kids to the store, even if it's the thrift store, it's always going to cost you more money.
Yeah, just a little bit.
They're like, but it's only $2. I'm like, but the thing is, have you seen your room lately?
We'll see how we do here. This Goodwill's slamming and there are no carts. I'm gonna go start looking though.
So I've made a cart. We have a computer chair with a blanket so nothing falls out of the back. I found these for $3.99 each. So I guess when I fill up the chair, I'm done.
So these here are $13 each. This one's got a big crack. So that's still $13 for both of those. I think we will leave them here. All right, this tiered tray is a little bent up. Probably needs a washer in there. $5.99 on it. I don't necessarily love the faux rust. It might just be a little too bent up and wobbly for me to put some time into it.
It's a cute teapot. Looks like it's hand painted. Currier and Ives Summer. I like that. I'll have to check and see if there's any more. Sometimes they just kind of have them all over the place, so you got to dig through the mugs. Looks like that might be the only one. But it's cute. So I will put it on the chair. Instead of saying it goes in the cart, it goes in the office chair.
This is a big old wall pocket. Looks like someone put some Ironwork Designs transfer on there. $2.99, yeah. Jack, grab that galvanized mail organizer there. What's the price on it?
$3.99.
So that makes it what?
$4. No.
$1.98.
No, $2 then.
Okay, all right. $2.99 on this little chicken wire basket, but it's divided and got wood handles. I like that. Some blue enamel bowls. Wow, $2.99 each. I mean, they're half off. Oh, that one's $1.99. Let's see if we can get them both for $1.99, which will make them $1 a piece, which is a great price.
I like anything hearts, tarnished silver, and it's a good weight. Sometimes you find these and they're pretty cheap and flimsy, but this is like nice and heavy. Just pushing around my chair here. Seeing what else we can find. I think Zeb still doesn't have a cart, but Redrick did find a little basket. We tired of little boxes yet? I don't think so. For $1.99. Dad's using your basket. Well, you got to earn all the stuff we're buying you today.
I know. A pair of grandpa's lights and a vector jacket.
Yeah, that's good.
Also looks like we've got some vintage cookie cutters. $1.99. I'm guessing that's for the set. I don't know. We'll see what they say when we get up there. This looks like a handmade rolling pin. That's kind of fun. This is older. It's got metal bearings in it. Everything newer has plastic. Oh, 2 of those. Look at Jack's buying 2 of those. All right. These here need a serious scrub, but the lids press pretty tight on there. I do like them. $7.99. $7.99. Half off. That's a pretty good deal.
I wonder if I should get these. The last bag of seashells I had sold. This one doesn't have as much stuff in it, but they'd be $3 for both bags. Should I buy them? I guess I will. Zeb bought these sets in England with hand carved pieces that were missing some, so I think I'm gonna buy these and maybe he can complete some of those sets. I like these quilted pillow shams. There's 2 of them. Much easier than when I find them at the bins and I gotta try to find a pair. I love Madewell. And this is only $3.50. It does need a sweater shave, but my mom would look really cute in that. I spy with my little eye a Greg Olson print. I actually have this one in my house and I've sold it before, so I'm gonna grab that out of there. First I gotta move this giant thing. And here you go, $4.99, which makes it $2.50. Original sale price was $140, original price $175. All right, so our half off at this store was $40. I don't know if it was a full cart because we didn't have a cart, but it was a full chair.
We never had a cart.
Did you even film me pushing that chair around? People kept giving me looks.
You had to film yourself. You didn't film your cart?
I did a little bit, but yeah, people kept giving me looks. I'm like, listen, you got to do what you got to do. We're used to thrifting in England and they don't have carts there. They just usually don't have so much stuff.
I like have a backpack to put stuff in when we're done.
We are at Goodwill number 3, like note to self, when it's a bank holiday and then also half off day. Wow. I mean, I think we've done good. It's been worth it, but I've never been on half off days that have been this crazy. Maybe this is how Black Friday was. We didn't go for Black Friday.
No, we opted to not show up.
Well, we didn't even find a parking spot, and this is not that big of a Goodwill, so we'll see.
Yeah, there's not going to be any carts in this one either.
Nope. Nope, no carts.
There's a lot of people in here, but they don't appear to be shopping for the things we're shopping for, so it's not too crazy in these aisles. All right, let's see what we got for mugs today.
It's all right, because they have office chairs. So we're gonna use the same method as last time, office chair to the rescue. I just need a blanket.
So I think I saw another one of these at the front of the store. This is the bottom of it. So $5.99 on this. It's heavy. I think it's wood. It's probably pressed wood, but maybe resin. I did see its friend. It's a set. That's going to be good painted up. Those will be fun. I'm holding too many things, but I also found this Roseville creamer. And then we've got a couple candlesticks. Jack's got them here.
Like these lights. $5.99 for the stack. $5.99. These bowls. It's a fun brown transfer. They do have grapes on them, but I love the seams on them. I like this box. $5.99. It's like a big recipe box. That's what it looks like. I actually love these bread trays. We have some in the shop. This looks like a little bit more industrial. This cabinet is only $5.99. Looks like it maybe needs a new paint job, but I like the detail on it. I didn't see anything on the bag wall that I couldn't live without. This Goodwill's pretty picked over. All right, so we finished our last Goodwill of the day. That's Goodwill number 3. We spent $32 and we're going to take the boys to the other side, not the other side.
Over the counter.
Over the counter,
south for 2 miles.
which is one of our favorite breakfast joints in Salt Lake. Here's my breakfast, Deb's breakfast.
And I haven't gone.
Jax is coming. He's the most hungry. Jack finally did get something to eat and he's pretty excited about it. All right, so I'm working on a vignette and I want to put the mirror there, but the yellow just isn't working. I need some like blue-green to soften it up. So I'm gonna do a paint project real quick. I usually don't do that. I usually just make the vignette and go, but I'm gonna paint this. Eventually this is gonna get painted too, but I don't know that I need to paint it right now for the vignette. So let's just paint the mirror and see how it looks. So I removed the mirror. I've got Americana cottage color paint because I want this to be nice and quick. I'm gonna wash it real quick and then we'll get a coat of paint on. So I did like a coat and a half of Americana because I had a few streakies. I actually used the heat gun to get it to dry quicker because I gotta get my stuff done. And I'm using white linen. There's not much left in this, but it doesn't take much. You wanna make sure your brush is pretty dry. And then I'm just gonna come across here and bring out all that detail. The other thing I like about painting this is that those screws were black and they didn't look very good. I am going to do a little bit of sanding on this texture, but it's turning out pretty cute. All right, here is the frame all dry brushed. All right, because I'm extra, I'm also using some of the golden roll gilding wax and I'm just gonna bring in some gold because I feel like it's a very French style mirror situation. And I love the distressing on the edge. The mustard wasn't bad. It was just like too much of the mustard and it was a little bit dark for my taste. So I'm just gonna come in and make it pretty. If you need paint products, you can pick up everything you've seen me use at JamiRayVintage.com. All right, now we're ready to put the mirror back in and hopefully this does what I want in my vignette. All right, I think that painted mirror makes all the difference in this vignette. It's still not as cohesive as I wanted it to be, but it's definitely better than the mustard. And once this piece is painted, this is gonna be really good. Comment below and let me know if you think that the mirror was better before or after.
Ton of fun shopping at Goodwill. It's always great when it's 50% off. Everything was 50% off. Clothing, home decor, all of it.
Having the boys with us always ups the price, so maybe negates the half off, but they enjoyed picking out a few things for themselves, as well as going to Over the Counter. I don't even know that Over the Counter has a website, but if you just Google them when you're in like the Salt Lake area, you can find them.
Yeah, they pop right up.
If you guys like this video, be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Jami Ray Vintage for more
DIY
and thrifting. We'll see you on the next episode.